Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 299 different strategies, with 92 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 193 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,011 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says, discover the winning double RSI trading strategy. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and turn off the two indicators here. But as you can probably guess, both of the indicators we will add to the screen is going to be the RSI indicator. So type in RSI, then scroll past favorites, down past personal, and into the technicals here. This is going to be the TradingView built-in indicators, and so the built-in relative strength index right here. TradingView built-in RSI relative strength index. Go ahead and click that twice to add two of them to the screen. Let's go ahead and turn on the first one and jump into the settings. And what you're going to do is change the RSI length to 7, and then scroll down and change the time frame here to 1 day. And then click on the styles, and the RSI line here you can change to whatever color you want. I changed it to an orange color and bumped up the line weight a little bit there, and turned off the RSI based MA, this one right here, and click OK. And it's a little bit hard to see, but if I scroll back a little bit now, you can see that the RSI line now appears right here. Also on this one, we will change the upper band here to 60 and the lower band to 40, and click OK on that, like I said. And so the RSI in this form basically is giving us a long-term overall trend direction, but because it's set on the daily time frame, you can see that as the day is playing out, it still kind of lags behind like this right here, which we'll look at here in just a moment. All right, the next RSI here, go ahead and click on the settings of that one as well. We'll also on this one, we'll actually keep this one on the 14 length there. We'll keep it on the chart settings there, and keep this all on the default as well. And so go ahead and click OK. So when this one here is above the 60 marker, that means that the price is in an uptrend. And then what we're looking for is we're going to look for the pullbacks from the lower time frame RSI. And so for example, here you can see that the orange RSI is above that 60 level. So we're looking for only long trades, because this is a continuation of price action, or continuation of trend. And so we look for the slower RSI to pull back and break below the lower 30 mark right there. And then we're going to wait for the RSI to cross back up above that 30 right there. As it does, it's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to set our trade right there, like so. Put our stop just right below this pivot right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Be about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see there that we get a really nice climb to the upside, and that continuation getting us to our take profit. All right, and for a short trade trend continuation, again, what we're looking for is the upper RSI here, the one that's a little bit slower. We're looking for that to be below the 30 line, the 30 dashed line there. Actually, that's the 40. I forgot we changed these to 40 and 60. So it's below the lower dashed line, whatever that number may be. In this case, it's 40. And so then what we're looking for is when the quicker RSI here breaks to the upside. And so kind of zoom in a little bit tighter here, hit the break to the upside right here, and then it comes down, crosses back down below that upper line right here. That would be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 50% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $10,000 for an overall gain of $5,000. So not a bad strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, though, during the same period of time, we did 172 trades altogether. And that's because of this strategy here really does give trades very far apart. And so, like I said, with the Academy of Forex indicator, we did 172 trades during the same period of time, with 140 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $84,000. On the losing side, you'd have lost $38,400 for an overall gain of $45,600. And so significantly better profit in the long run. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades, the Academy of Forex indicator signals. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 10 trades altogether. We had 6 winning, 4 losing. A 60% win rate would have been a gain of $160. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, a 100% win rate, a gain of $600. Would have been a gain of $760 for the week, and at the, that's actually a 31 week total now, we would have been up $49,090 over 248 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here, the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.